noticed some friends getting some things tucked away real quick. We're going to get started on our morning assembly. Thank you, that sounds so nice. Okay, 5th grade and kindergarten, please stand high. Ready for flag salutes. 1st grade and 4th grade, please stand high. 2nd grade and 3rd grade, please stand high.
Good morning, please join me. Please sing the pledge of allegiance as you go march.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Morning, my name is Marcus. Please join me in saying the Oklahoma flag salute. Attention, salute, pledge.
I salute the flag of the state of Oklahoma. Its symbols of peace unite all people.
Hi, I'm Elijah Jill. Please join me in singing Yankee Doodle.
Yankee Doodle went to town, riding on a pony. Stuck a feather in his hat and called it macaroni. Yankee Doodle, keep it up. Yankee Doodle, baby. Mind the music and the step, and let the girls be handy.
Good morning, my name is Kristen. Please join me in singing the Village Called Creek.
I am a Lorraine elementary student. I show integrity. I do the right thing, even when no one is watching. I am respectful. I show honor and consideration to others, myself, and my school. I think first. I think before I act and speak. My mistakes are behind me, and my successes are before me. Today I have the courage to be the best that I can be.
Thank you, baby. See you. Good morning, my name is Finley. The word is cooperation. Cooperation is the ability to work well with others. Please say it after me. Cooperation is
Cooperation is
the ability to work well with others.
the ability to work well with others.
Thank you. Good morning, my name is Rylan. The quote of the week is, "Many hands make light work" by John Haywood. Please repeat after me. Many hands make light work by John Haywood. Thank you. Here's Mr. Fenton.
Good morning, Liberty Wildcats. Are we ready for an awesome Friday at Liberty Elementary? I'm ready. I am ready. Hey, one thing I wanted to talk to you about before I let the teachers do any announcements or celebrations is, do we understand what many hands make light work? Do we understand what that means? I'm going to give you an example. When we have assemblies and stuff in the gym, We have all kinds of chairs that we either need to put down or we need to pick up. And oftentimes, the fifth graders, sometimes the fourth graders will help get those chairs put out and put up. And if someone had to do that by themselves, it would be a lot of work and it would take a lot of time. But with all kinds of help, all those extra hands, it makes it a whole lot easier. So many hands make light work. Means if everybody chips in and helps, then it won't be hard on anyone else. So there's something to think about. Teachers, do we have any announcements or celebrations?
I have 3 things today. I had to bring a list so I wouldn't forget anything. I've got some wonderful celebrations from my class. These are friends who made a 60% or higher on their reading and math STAR test. Some of them even made 70% or higher, or 80% or higher, or even 90% or higher twice. I kind of loved it. When I say your name, stand silent. Zachary, Jeffrey, Nevaeh, Miracle, Evie, Emily, Carter, Lyric, Ariana, Avion, Margot, Hadley, and Michael. Let's give them a "You're great." You're great. Sit silent. We have some friends who've been taking AR tests in our class for a while, so I'm going to celebrate their points. But then we got a new crew. So we've got a lot of kids trying to catch up a little bit. Once kids mastered List B, they got the turn to try to take AR tests in our class. So you can't wait to hear how many points some of these kids have. Jeffrey Stan, 27 points. Carter, 17. Margot, 17. Ariana, 22. And the new crew, they're going to get in the mystery bag today because they've made it past 5 points. They're going to win a mystery prize. Nevaeh 5, Emily 8, Avion 5, Hadley 5. Let's give them an excellent. Sit silent. I give them 3 things. So this one's for teachers. Bingo night's coming, and for kids, it's on March 13th. Bingo night's a really fun night that you get to come back to Liberty with your family, and we make special prize baskets that you can win, but we need your help. We want your families to help bring little bits of things, and when you put it all together, it makes a really cool prize. So maybe this weekend, teachers, think about putting together your note so we can get some good feedback and get some really good prize baskets. So put that on your mind. Bingo night is March 13th. It's going to sneak up on us.
Awesome job. You guys are working hard. Any other announcements or celebrations?
I would like to celebrate one of my students, Journey. Will you stand? Journey met her AR goal. She's the first one in our class to do it, so I'm really proud of her. Let's give her "You Sparkle, You Shine." You sparkle, you shine, you do it all the time. Great job, Journey.
Awesome, awesome. Any other announcements or celebrations? Okay. Well, listen, before we go, let's have our moment of silence. All right? And remember, follow the procedures of the building. Listen to your teachers and work hard. Okay? We talked about the Liberty School Creed, about having the courage to be the best that we can be. I challenge you to be the best that you can be today. All right? Let's have our moment of silence and let's go be great. All right? You guys have a great day.